The drilling of China's first borehole over 10,000 meters deep for scientific exploration began on Tuesday in the Tárem Basin, northwest China's Xinjiang Uyghur Autonomous Region. The operation started at 11:46 a.m. on Tuesday. It represents a landmark in China's deep Earth exploration, providing an unprecedented opportunity to study areas of the planet deep beneath the surface.
本井呢，部署的目的主要有两个，一个是科学探索，第二个是部署发现。通过这口井呢，要打造我们中国石油对于超深层钻完井的技术储备啊，打造我们的超深层领域的深地的钻井能力的国之重器。第二个呢，就是为本地区超深层油气发现拓展新的阶梯领域。
With a design depth of 11,100 meters, the borehole is located in the hinterland of the Taklamakan Desert, the largest desert in China. During the drilling process, the equipment, including drill bits and drill pipes weighing more than 2,000 tons, will go deep into the earth, penetrating more than 10 continental strata, including the Cretaceous system.